To practice using the Ross C-Arm Training Phantom for central right accuracy, we begin by pulling into the field and assessing our initial image. Here we see our circles are on the left of the screen, just below center, and the vertical alignment leans slightly left towards the 11 o'clock position. This tells us we need to wag the C-arm to the left, slide the C-arm north to compensate, and push the boom arm in slightly. After a couple of similar micro adjustments, we can then apply magnification to check for fine detail. A faint double shadow appears, but since the circles are off center, we know this is a centering issue, not tilt. With one final correction, we are able to demonstrate a properly aligned image with perfect circles.